Some tricks I learned when I worked for Infotech. There is WD-40, paper towel, and you have this stuff right here, that goop. That goop is on your processor. You need to get that off. Your chipsets on the new board are nice and shiny, which is good. So we don't need to clean those. We need to clean this one. Now on here, your old motherboard, the chipset had this thermal pad, which we're going to remove because I got a big huge block of new stuff right here. This is newer material that I've been using to fix video cards. So I'm going to cut a square that'll fit this and this, and then I also need to clean off the bottom half of your heatsink here where the chips connect, because I need to get the scoop off right here because it's dry. This one right here, the silicone pad has broken, so I'm going to use the newer material. And then this block right here, it was okay because it was hooked up to the thermal pad that was on that chip on your board. So I'm going to replace the pads, clean that off with WD-40. I got some new thermal grease that I'm putting on your processor. And then we should be good. And I'll hopefully when I'm done here, I'll have everything assembled when I'm done.